Well, good morning. This is morning after. Shit. Looks like Stacy's van got hit. Busted off her driver's side mirror. Top pretty good. Everywhere. Station trees busted off. Neighbor's mailbox got hammered. Trees, lines. The truck got smashed pretty good, it looks like. The windshield got cracked. Somebody slid into me last night. Huge trees have fallen. Looks like the roof may have got banged pretty good right there. This tree took a beating last night. This is the hole inside of the house. That'll be from that. And that. All of this. That tree is touching the ground. It's all the way down to there. That's a 70-foot tall tree touching the ground. Look how freaking wide that ice is. The top of that tree snapped off. It's still breaking and falling everywhere.